So I was just helping a guy out, and in Slicer, here you notice. So we've got an upcoming builds doing Ender 3 NG, and I wanted to get stuff prepped for the Slicer. I was showing him how to get the logo on your build plate in Slicer, and I'm going to show you that. But also, if you notice, underneath of the build plate is the frame for the NG. And I'm going to show you how to do that. So the first thing you're going to want to do is pull up Fusion. Now this is the entire model for the Ender 3 NG. Okay. I've got the grid turned on. If you don't have the grid turned on, go here, turn it on. And then you're going to want to start getting rid of everything you don't need. All right. So we don't need that, that. You're just hiding it. All right. We don't need the enclosure. Uh, we don't need the printed bed. We're going to do this for just the stock NG bed, tool head. So this is the part we actually need. So everything else can get hidden. Just go through. This can take a couple of seconds. I could fast forward all this and edit it, but I'm not going to edit this video. So we're going to sit here together and you're going to watch me hide everything on this printer except for the bed. Almost there, almost done. And there, now we're done. Now we can't just export this like this because it won't line up. So we need the center of our bed to be in the center of this grid. And then we need the top plate of this bed to be even with Z0. So we're going to scroll down here. We're going to left click on this and we're going to move it. We're going to look at this from the top view. And we're going to just drag this entire assembly till it's centered. There we go. And it's already centered on X. And now it is centered on Y. And now we rotate. I'm going to drag this down to the top of this is right now it's at negative 0.05, and that's good. Then we're just going to click OK. This is going to work for any of your printers or whatnot. If you can get the CAD file for it, you can do this. When this gets exported, it's going to have all of this. And then you're going to go File, Export. You're going to go ahead and name this. So E3NG bed frame. You're going to want this as an STL file. And then select where you're going to put it. We're just going to put this over here in the downloads folder. And we're going to export it. This can take a second. All right, we're good to go now. We're going to go back over here to Oracle Slicer. And here's our printer, right? Now yours probably looks like something like this. Whatever your stock thing is, I do all my printers as a boron, uh, based on Vorons, so that all my user presets for processes, I can use them on any one of them, regardless of what it is. If the bed shape doesn't match exactly, that's fine. You can edit that. So if you go in here and click on Edit Printable Area, adjust your bed size, and then Texture, click Load. Go ahead and grab yourself your favorite image as a PNG file. If you don't have it as a PNG file, take your JPEG into an image converter online and uh, just convert it to a PNG. And then for model, click load. You're going to go and you're going to go grab that STL that you just exported. Click open. Okay. And then you can save it. But bada bing, bada boom, you have in your slicer now, it actually looks like your printer bed. It's got your printer bed frame. It's got your cool fancy logo on there. And just a little custom touch for your slicer. This works the same in uh, Orca Slicer, Prusa Slicer, Super Slicer. I've not tried it in Bamboo Studio, but I'm sure that it's the same in Bamboo Studio. Anyway, hope you guys learned something from that. Have a great day.